In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a family member on SmartThings. If you want someone else in your household to access your smart home devices, scenes, and routines, SmartThings makes that possible by inviting them to your shared location. This is useful for family members who need to control lights, locks, appliances, or other connected devices from their own phone. To begin, open the SmartThings app on your Android phone or iPhone. Once the app is open, sign in to your Samsung account if you are not already logged in. This is important because location sharing and member management are tied to your Samsung account inside SmartThings. After that, go to your home location. You can do this by tapping the home icon or the location selector near the top of the app. If you have more than one location set up, such as a main home and a second property, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing. The family member will be added to the location you select here. Next, open the member management area. Depending on your version of the app, you may need to tap the More Options menu shown as 3 dots or go into Manage Locations. From there, look for an option like Manage Location, Manage Members, or simply Members. The wording can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but you are looking for the section where you can control who has access to that location. Now you're ready to invite your family member. Tap Invite Member or Add Member. SmartThings usually gives you two ways to do this. You can send an invitation by entering the email address linked to their Samsung account, or you can use a QR code and have them scan it with their phone. Choose whichever method is easier for both of you. Once the invitation has been sent, your family member will need to install the SmartThings app on their own phone and sign in with their own Samsung account. They can then accept the invitation either from a notification or from within the SmartThings app itself. After they accept, the sharing is complete. They'll be able to access the devices, scenes, and routines available in that location. A few important things to remember. Family members are added to the entire location, not to individual rooms. Also, each person must use their own Samsung account. And finally, only the location owner can remove members or delete the location. And that's how to add a family member on SmartThings.